I love the Wallines. They are true experts in the field. Okay, now this has sold out like 4 years in a row. It is back new today with new colors from the Grouchy Gardener. Remember we talked about how the Grouchy Gardener really is the #1 brand of garden tools in the QVC UK, and they have this sister decorative line called Jennings, which is where we got those great lights from earlier. So we're kind of stealing the best ideas from the UK, and of course they, the English gardens certainly are known for their beautiful gardens. So this is your Telescopic Ratchet, Lopper, and Pruner set. You're getting 2 pieces for 5 easy payments of $10.60. Rachel Pavis is here with us. Rachel, Grouchy Gardener is truly best in class when it comes to tools.
It's so true, Sandra, and that's because this is created by a man who was he was involved in landscaping and saw a need for better products, so brings us really the best of the best here.
That's right.
This is a set that's absolutely spectacular because you're getting both. You just have to choose your color.
Such a good price, like $52.98 for tools that you buy one time and they will last like a lifetime.
Yes, and that's really true, Sandra, because when you think about your garden tools, you don't need a whole shed full of tools. You need a couple of really good ones.
I would rather have a handful, just a handful of like this, oh my hoary knife, like a handful of really good tools. I don't want a big box of tools. I want a few that I know how to use that will always work. I just want to quickly show you the colors for everyone ready to order. We have it in Hunter Green. So this is your big set of, this is the Lopper that you're getting here, and then you get these Ratchet Pruners. This is the green. We have the navy, and we have burgundy, which is actually really beautiful. All right, let's get started with this, with the big Lopper. So what is this going to allow me to do?
Okay, so first off, this has a ratchet system built into it. You can see it has a steel blade, but there's teeth here on the side. And what happens is those teeth are what grabs on to everything you're going to cut, and then that sharp blade is then what's going to cut it. Then down here, if you notice, this is what the ratcheting system is. And what that does is it makes it so that it's like cutting through butter, Sandra. You don't have to worry about having a lot of hand strength. I don't have a lot of hand and upper body strength. So because of this ratchet system, if you feel resistance, you back off, the ratchet system takes over and then it makes it cut so easily. I'll show you how that works. But also, these are telescoping arms. So what that means is it allows you to reach up high places and be really adjustable. You can adjust, you'll see the little notches in between there. So literally you can adjust anywhere and you'll hear it kind of snap into place. And I'll show you. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to come up over here and you'll notice that as I put the ratchets on there, you'll see that as I squeeze down, I'm going to just squeeze a little bit, and as soon as oh my gosh, that wouldn't cut so easily, right? But as you hit resistance, so let's do it again. I'm going to go back here where it's a little bit thicker, and as soon as I feel any resistance, I back it off. It ratchets once, I squeeze again. Anytime I feel that little bit of resistance, you want to try
this? Yeah, I do, but I just wanted to show everybody, look at what a nice clean cut that is. That's ultimately going to be better for your bushes and trees, to have a nice clean cut instead of a jagged cut.
So healthy for your plants, for your trees. So again, I'll do it here again, and notice how thick this branch is right here. As I'm going in there.
Now see, this looks like a branch that would be borderline getting too thick for me to be able to cut.
Yes, okay, so as I squeeze it, it gets a little bit tight. I back it off, I squeeze again. It gets tight again, and so it's so easy.
And it's not at all hard. You're putting like no real elbow grease into it, no force. Can I give it a try?
Yeah, please do.
Okay, so let's try. I'm gonna come. Do you mind if I come down here?
And you can even do the lower ones. I put these down on the ground. Yeah, go ahead.
Do you want me not to do the lower?
No, go. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm opening it up.
You feel the slightest bit of resistance, just back off.
I would normally put the telescoping handles down a little bit because I don't need them.
So big.
So this is I have them wider than I need. But I come down. I feel a little resistance. I go back. I feel a little resistance.
Yeah,
it's going.
And you don't even have to open them all the way like that.
Okay, so like, let me see.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
It's that simple.
I made it very dramatic. I did it probably one time
well,
too
you
many.
did, and you opened it all the way up. You don't even have to, like when you feel, and I'm going to do these ones here on the ground.
Go down there.
So as I do it, like I feel that little bit of resistance. I back up, it clicks, I back up, it clicks again, and then it cuts right through. So, I mean, look how big this piece is.
Wait, that's a very thick piece.
It is a very big
That's something I might think I needed to get like the saw for.
Right? Nope. Feel the clicking?
And you know what, you don't have to squeeze, you're not squeezing hard.
I'm not
doing
squeezing
the work for
hard
you.
at
So
all.
if you're someone, maybe you don't have the strongest wrist or hand strength, or you're just someone who thinks like, oh, I need to get someone to trim my bushes for me. You don't necessarily have to. And what I find in my garden beds, what these are so great for is, if you want to like I have a garden bed that has a tree in it. I like to elevate the lower branches a little bit. It makes for a tidier garden bed. It also allows for more sun to come through. So it's great for elevating trees, making your trees look great. Also fantastic for all of your large bushes. And now she's using the handheld pruners. They are awesome.
Yeah, so the handheld pruners are, you get both, which is really pretty amazing. I'll tell you what, I keep a pair of these.
Wait, is that about to cut wire? It just did.
Yes, in fact, I have wire right here. When we come back, I'll show you. Yes, so I use these, I keep a pair in my kitchen because I'm always having the clamshells to open, the batteries. These literally, like you're gonna see, this cuts right through this wire with no trouble at all. I mean, look how easy it is, and look how clean the cut is as well. Then I'm going to cut, I have some little twigs here too, just to kind of show you. Again, now these have that ratchet system as well. So once again, you don't need to squeeze really hard or have a lot of hand strength. You feel a little bit of resistance, you back off, and then it cuts through. And again, that nice clean cut. So these are perfect for if you have flowers that you want to cut. I mean, I used to try and use the scissors in the kitchen to cut through something like these. And now I don't have to I mean, they literally cut through so easily that you'll see, here we go. And look how clean that is.
Wow, that is really cool. Okay, lots of people are buying more than one set, so I'm guessing that some of you are getting really great gifts, maybe like Mother's Day, or you're thinking ahead to Father's Day. These are brand new today. The previous version of this has sold out like 4 times. Do not wait. It's one of our most popular garden tools from the #1 garden tool brand at QVC UK, Grouchy Gardener. Here's your hunter green, here's your navy. I love how pretty and coordinated they look. And then burgundy is very, very popular. The colors don't matter. They do make it look high-end and pretty. It's not about the color though. It's about the real deal quality and how it makes gardening so much easier.
And works with left-handed, I'm left-handed, or right-handed. I mean, if you have these in your garden shed, get rid of these because this is what you want to have.
It's awesome. What a nice price. 5 easy payments of $10.60. I'm telling you, you're going to buy them once, and then you have them. They're the Grouchy Gardener. They really last. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Sandra. Great to see you.
All right. We're going to take a quick little break, and when we come